study the cardiac cycle, that is defined as the succession or sequence of coordinated events taking place in the heart during each beat. Each heartbeat consists of two major periods, that is systole and diastole. Systole, heart contract, pump the blood through the arteries, and during diastole the heart relax. Again, event of the cardiac cycle. Event of the cardiac cycle, two events are there: atrial event and ventricular event. Atrial event, that is atrial systole and atrial diastole, and ventricular event, ventricular systole and ventricular diastole. Atrial systole is 0.1 second, whereas ventricular systole is 0.3 second. Atrial diastole is 0.7 second, ventricular diastole is 0.5 second. Always systole is less time. Plus is in atrial systole 0.1, in ventricular systole is 0.3. Okay, systole is always of less time. Duration of the cardiac cycle is about 0.8 second. When the heart beat at normal rate of 72 per minute, duration of each cardiac cycle is 0.8 second. Again, ventricular systole is of two types. Ventricular systole is of two types, that is isometric contraction, ejection. Ventricular diastole is of five types: protodiastole, isometric relaxation, rapid filling followed by slow filling, and last rapid filling. We'll come to the first we'll study the ventricular event, then we'll study the atrial event. Ventricular event, first isovolumetric or isometric contraction period. Okay, it is the first part of the ventricular event. Isometric contraction period means in isometric contraction period in the cardiac cycle is the first phase of the ventricular systole. It lasts for 0.5 seconds. Isometric contraction is the type of muscular contraction characterized by increase in the tension without any change in the length of the muscle fiber. Isometric contraction of ventricular muscle is known as isovolumetric contraction. Immediately after the atrial systole, atrioventricular valve closed due to increase in the ventricular pressure. Semilunar valve are already closed. Now the ventricle contract as closed cavity. In such a way, there is no change in the volume of the ventricular chamber in the length of the muscle fiber. Only tension remain increased in the ventricular musculature. Because of the increased tension in the ventricular musculature during isometric contraction, pressure increases sharply inside the ventricle. First heart sound. Closure of the AV valve at the beginning of this phase produce first heart sound. Significance of the isometric contraction. During isometric contraction period, the ventricular pressure increases sharply. When the pressure increases above the pressure in the aorta and pulmonary artery, the semilunar valve opens. Thus, the pressure rises in the ventricle cause the isometric contraction is responsible for the opening of the semilunar valve, leading to ejection of the blood from the ventricle into the aorta and pulmonary artery. Ejection period is followed by rapid ejection is the first, and second slow ejection. Due to the opening of the semilunar valve and isotonic contraction of the ventricle, blood is ejected out the ventricles. Hence the period called as ejection period. Duration of this period is 0.22 second. Ejection period is two types. That is the first stage of the rapid ejection period. The first stage starts immediately after the opening of the semilunar valve. During this stage, a large amount of the blood is rapidly ejected from both the ventricle, last for 0.13 second. Second stage or slow ejection period. During this stage, the blood is ejected slowly with much less force. Duration of this period is 0.09 second. End systolic volume is not that all important in cardiac cycle question. Then we come to the protodiastole. What is protodiastole? Protodiastole is the first stage of the ventricular diastole, hence the name protodiastole. Duration of this period is 0.04 second. Due to the ejection of the blood, the pressure in the aorta and pulmonary artery increases and pressure in the ventricle drops. When the intraventricular pressure become less than the pressure in the aorta and pulmonary artery, the semilunar valve close. Atrioventricular valve are already closed. No other changes occurred in the heart during this period. Thus, protodiastole indicate only the end of the systole and beginning of the diastole. And here, second heart sound will hear. Closure of the semilunar valve during this phase produce second heart sound. Then, isometric relaxation period. Relaxation is the type of muscular relaxation characterized by decrease in the tension without any change in the length of the muscle fiber. Isometric relaxation of the ventricular muscles, also called as isovolumetric relaxation. During isometric relaxation period, once again all the valves of the heart are closed. Now both the ventricle relax as closed cavity without any change in volume or length of the muscle fiber. Intraventricular pressure decreases during this period. Duration of isometric relaxation is about 0.08 seconds. Significance is during isometric relaxation period, ventricular pressure decreases greatly. When the ventricular pressure becomes less than the pressure in the aorta, the atrioventricular valve open. Thus, the fall in the pressure in the ventricle caused by isometric relaxation is responsible for opening of the atrioventricular valve, resulting filling of the ventricle. Filling is rapid filling phase followed by slow filling. In the rapid filling phase, when the atrioventricular valve are opened, there is a sudden rush of blood from the atria to the ventricle. So, this period is called first rapid filling period. Ventricle also relax isotonically. About 70% of filling takes place during this phase. Rapid filling is about 0.11 seconds. Third heart sound will hear as rushing of blood into ventricle during this phase. Then slow filling phase. After the sudden rush of blood, the ventricular filling becomes slow. Now it is called as the slow filling. It is also called as diastasis. About 20% of filling occur in this phase. Duration of the slow filling phase is 0.19 second, followed by the last rapid filling phase. The last rapid filling phase occur because of the atrial systole. After the slow filling period, the atria contract and push a small amount of blood into the ventricle. About 10% of the ventricular filling takes place during this period. Flow of the additional amount of blood into the ventricle due to the atrial systole is called as atrial kick. End diastolic volume. End diastolic volume is the amount of blood that remaining in the each ventricle at the end of the diastole. It's about 130 to 150 ml per ventricle. That is, we left that atrial event. Atrial event is like atrial systole and atrial diastole. Atrial systole is known as the last rapid filling phase or pre-systole. It is usually considered as the last phase of the ventricular diastole. Duration is 0.11 second. During this period, a small amount, that is 10% of the blood, is forced from atria into the ventricle. Atrial systole is not essential for maintenance of circulation. Many persons with atrial fibrillation survive for years without suffering from coronary insufficiency. And in the atrial systole, fourth heart sound will hear. Contraction of atrial musculature cause this sound. Atrial diastole is after the atrial systole, atrial diastole starts. Simultaneously, ventricular systole also start. Atrial diastole lasts about 0.7 second. This long atrial diastole is necessary because this period during which the atrial filling takes place. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the all over the body, superior, inferior vena cava, coronary sinus. Left atrium receives oxygenated blood from the lungs through. If you see the overview, okay. First overview, if you see the overview, that is atrial systole. Atria is contract and a small amount of blood enter the ventricle. Atria contract karega, small amount of to ventricle. Then second one is the atrial diastole. Okay. Okay, we'll do it again. Atrial systole, atrial contract and a small amount of blood enter the ventricle. Atria will contract, small amount of blood will enter the ventricle. Then isometric contraction, followed by isometric contraction. All the valves are closed. All the valves are closed. Ventricle undergoes isometric contraction and pressure in the ventricle increase. Then as pressure in the ventricle increases, it will try to pull out the blood from the ventricle as pressure increases. Okay, तो इजेक्शन होगा. सेमिलुनर valve are opened. Okay, ventricle contract and blood are ejected out, followed by protodiastole. Protodiastole is the first stage of the diastole. Semilunar valve are closed in the end of this period. Isometric relaxation, all the valves are closed, ventricle undergoes isometric relaxation, pressure in the ventricle is reduced. Rapid and slow filling, atrioventricular valve are opened, ventricles relax and filling occur. Thank you.